How to get backup code for two-step verification Roblox. Open up a preferred browser in your PC and search for roblox.com in the search bar or in the URL address section. In here, make sure that you are logged into your Roblox account. Then tap on the setting gear option and head to the settings option. Now from here, select the option of security. So right here on the two-step verification, you will find hardware security keys option at the bottom. So you simply have to go ahead and toggle it on. And yes, it is compatible with your web browsers, iPhone and iPad. Then just tap on OK. Right here, enter the password of your Roblox to verify that is you. Then tap on Verify. We recommend you to download our Google Authenticator application that you can easily find in your App Store or your Play Store. So once that is installed, simply tap open to it. Then you have to scan this code using your Authenticator application. It will generate a code which you have to enter it right here in this dialog box. Then just tap on Verify. Once you do this, you will apply your step or two-step verification code backup codes as well. And each time you try to log in, you will receive a new code via the Authenticator app. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.